Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is bathroom sink faucet wall mount 2-handle solid brass body washroom faucet matte black double handle basin faucet. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐤. The wall-mounted bathroom faucet body is made of solid brass and is durable. The bathroom faucet set itself has luster surface and corrosion resistance feature. High-end luxury appearance, easy to match with bathroom as well as other bathroom accessories. Double handle operation, freely adjustable in hot and cold water mode. Advantage of this bathroom faucet: 1. Minimalistic design, carefully crafted, golden ratio, pursuit of perfectionism. 2. 3-hole wall installation, wall mounted for an upscale look and more streamlined vanity space. 3. Matte black finish, no fear of damp environment, corrosion resistance, keep the product lasting. For switch skid, using high quality valve core, switch feedback is obvious, feel smooth and not dry. 5. Brass materials, the main body uses brass materials, safe and environmentally friendly. Electroplate coating, enhance corrosion resistance, enhance hardness, prevent abrasion and increase surface beauty. 6. Wide application, home, villa, club, characteristic hotel, private lounge, featured in, homestay. Specification: faucet type, bathroom sink faucet. Installation type, wall mounted. Installation holes, 3 holes. Number of handles, double handle. Faucet material, brass. Finish, black. Style, modern. Installation type, wall mounted. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and home decorations at http://www.𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐤.com. Our store offers quality bathtubs, showers, shower doors, toilets and bidets, vanity sinks, freestanding tub faucets, bathroom lighting, bathroom mirrors, portable infrared sauna, bathroom sink faucets, washer and dryers, bathroom storage, and more. 𝐬𝐢𝐧𝐤 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐬𝐤𝐧𝐤 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐚𝐿12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.